Good morning. I'm walking out this morning to feed the ponies. Here's our pond. There's like salamanders and frogs and probably a little bit of fishes in there. Bugs, of course. And this is an overflow that goes down to the creek. Oh, there's a frog. I don't know if you can see him. There you go. See the little froggy? He's not actually little. He's a pretty good sized frog. There he goes. There he is. They're funny here because if they see it and they go flying into the pond, they make a funny noise. Did you hear him? He must have seen my shadow. Alright, we'll see who decides to holler at me first. I see a couple of them looking at me. Oh, it was Tropy, the stallion. He saw me and he's getting excited. He's right back there. I see a pile of pigs. These guys are available. These are all females. All of breeding age and I don't know where the other one is. There's another little tan one. She may be inside. I'm getting closer. I see heads poking out back there. Ah, there he is. He's waiting. Oh, I better get up here so I can feed them all. Alright. Bye.